companies. So this observation coming from media houses, particularly those who observe the Indian economy at this time, surely gives the feeling that it is all across the board, the development, the kind of buzz which is around the economy. There can always be some points which I'll certainly come to, some honorable members raising issue of, it's actually not reaching some parts of the ground, water is not reaching or this is not reaching. I'll come to addressing that. But the point on which all of us can take immense pride is something which I list out very quickly. I'm not going to spend much of our time. Where have we reached the topmost position in the world? Where are we in the second position? Where are we in the third position? I'll just list out those items and we'll know that this is across the board for all of us to feel extremely proud of, because this is an achievement the people of India are contributing towards this country. So India is the world's largest producer of milk, largest producer of pulses, dalhan, largest producer of jute, largest producer of sugar, real-time digital payments, largest number happen in India. India is also the second largest production of rice, of wheat, sugarcane, groundnut, vegetables, fruits, cotton, aquaculture, which is inclusive of seaweeds and lotus and so on, and also marine products. So India is the second largest. Now, second largest again, manufacturer of mobile phones, producer of crude steel. In 2022 alone, sir, India alone registered an increase in production, while Japan, China, Russia and US all witnessed a drop. They are the major producers. They see a drop in production, and we see not only see a growth, but we've reached the second largest producer status. Coal producer, second largest. Aluminium producer, second largest. And also, India is the second sought after manufacturing destination globally, and this is because of a research which comes from Cushman and Wakefield. So the third position, I'll stop with the third, but then, and also one more on the fourth. Third position, sir, India has reached the third position in being the biggest producer of fish and fish products, fish-related products. 8% of global production happens here. Startup ecosystem, third largest. Automobile market, third largest. Pharmaceutical industry, third largest. Power producer, third largest power producer. Limestone producer, third largest power producer. When I say this, I'm just taking my mind picture back to that one day when the grid collapsed over the western part of the country, and we were running short of technology to handle it, and we also had shortfall elsewhere in the country, but no more of that. Today India is the third largest producer of power. India also has, especially when we're talking of climate and green action and so on, ranks third in forest gain area. India has added 2.66 lakh hectares of forest area every year between 2010 to 2020. So 2010, I'm including 10, 11, 12, 13. It's not as if as often it is alleged, for this side of the house, it's always world began in 2014. No, world began also in 2010, and I'm recognizing it. India stands fourth, sir, globally in renewable energy installed capacity. This is a very attractive number, and also to see where our initiatives are giving us tangible results. Renewable energy installed capacity, fourth in wind power capacity, fourth in solar power capacity. And this is something which the REN 21 Renewables 2022 Global Status Report recognizes as a big achievement of India. Now, all this is not happening in only the metropolitan cities. Several things have changed in rural India, and as a result of which our economy is getting the best from the rural area and also from the metropolitan. Purely concentrating on rural India, sir, I want to highlight the numbers between 2014 and 2023, just so that we know the economy is in many ways pulsating in